If you're like us and need a reliable universal remote for your TV, this one caught our attention. We recently tested it with our Seiki television, and we're here to share our honest experience. First off, the setup process is straightforward. The remote comes with an easy-to-follow guide that helps you program it to your TV in just a few minutes. For us, it worked on the first try, which was a huge relief. What really stood out to us was the compatibility. The remote claims to work with a wide range of brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and even less common ones like Seiki, and we can confirm it worked great with ours. It's a real game changer if you're tired of juggling multiple remotes. In terms of build quality, the remote feels lightweight but sturdy enough for everyday use. The buttons are responsive and the layout is intuitive. It doesn't feel like a cheap throwaway remote, which is something we really appreciated. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. It doesn't include batteries, so you need to have two AAA batteries on hand. Also, while the programming worked flawlessly for us, it might take a couple of attempts for others, depending on your TV model. Overall, this universal remote has been a great addition to our setup. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable remote that's easy to program and works across multiple TV brands, we think this one is definitely worth considering.